I'm really liking this keyboard that I recently got. It gives you typewriter vibes just based on the sound and the tapping feeling. It's very pretty. I opted for the color pink, and it also lights up too. So I do have the light on so you can't see it, but it does light up. It does have some getting used to because you kind of have to move your fingers a little more. So definitely kind of an exercising of your fingers, but it connects easily to your desktop. It is wired, so it's not wireless. So as you can see, there's a wire. It is wired, not wireless, but a really good option. Patients always comment on it. They see it over the desk and they are always complimenting it and very amazed because it's very, very pretty looking.